was racing pro motocross and supercross, and I bought a bulldozer as a toy. I didn't know anything about it. I didn't even know how to run one. Brought it home, started playing with it. That's how I kind of grew the business. First job was scraping the driveway, and then I started doing a little bit of like clean up a little area and push off some saplings, and then I bought an excavator shortly after. So then I could kind of diversify it. I could load a truck, put dirt in a truck. I had a little dump truck that I moved my stuff with. So I started doing a little site work, clear the lot, grade the driveway, and get it ready for a house site. The very first year I was in business, I believe was in '98, and I did my first shoreline on Lake James. There's jobs we done at the bank's 25 foot tall, and you're standing on top of it, and it's like a cliff. Nobody else can do it. We go in and re-establish the slope, and then at the toe, we rock the shoreline. So we bought a barge that was piece sectional, because you had to get it down here from the Ohio River, had it delivered, had to figure out how to get it to water, figure out how to put it together. Now, today, we do barge work. I have two barges, two separate lakes. So I have a residential crew that handles our residential work, and then we have a commercial crew that does commercial work. We were hauling brush off, and we're having to buy bolts to put on the bank. And I was having to figure out how to get rid of these piles of brush. So we bought our first grinder. Now, all of our wood debris coming off sites, we recycle it. So we charge to haul it off, and then we sell back the product we make, and now we also do colored ones, do black, brown, red. When I first started in business, once I got going, I'm very competitive. I have a no quit, no stop attitude. I will figure it out. If you put something in front of me, I will get through it.